Model, 2015 Fiat Fiorino Adv 4 Street 1.3 Mjet Dsl 75 EU5 factory-fitted crew cab. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 143714. MOT, the 15th of March 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 199 A 9000, E5, F. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp